what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing our January Boxycharm. If you're interested in seeing my review of the January Boxycharm, Boxy and Chill, stay tuned. Our first product, let me just say this. I get 2 Boxycharm boxes. One for me and one I give the products to my daughter if she wants them. She gets to look through it, and my daughter's like, if she knows she will not use it, she just doesn't take it. So this month I don't think she will take anything, and I just want you to know how I feel about this box. I'm gonna wait and give you my feelings at the end, but you'll probably see how I feel about each thing as I go through them. The first thing is by BRIOGEO. It's the Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask, and it's 2 ounces. Is this full size? I don't know what they call this. Okay, I wouldn't call this a full size product. I'd call this a travel size. But anyways, I've tried one thing by BRIOGEO. It was a leave-in mask that no, it was not a leave-in mask. It was Don't Despair Repair hair mask. You put it in, leave it for so long, and then rinse it out. Did not like it. Didn't do good in my hair. My hair's too straight. This, I think, I'll put a little in my hair to see how it does and try to use this. But I really don't think this will do good in my hair at all either. They're saying that is worth $16. Yes, and it's got vitamin B, coconut oil extract, algae extract, and biotin. Biotin helps to get your hair really strong. So we'll have to see about this. The second product is by OFRA, and I love OFRA lipsticks. It's the OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. Now this is a very bright red. I have several reds already. I doubt if my daughter will want this red of a lipstick. It's almost too dark though for me. You see how dark that lip is? It's the color Havana Nights, which looks good on the girls, but it's almost like a brownish red Havana Nights. So I'm not even sure about this item. Our next item is by TARTE. It's the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea, and I got the highlighting shadow palette volume 3. Did not want that one at all. I would have taken either one of the other palettes, but this one has one matte shade. I think it's a beige, and the rest are shimmers. How can you do a look with all shimmers? I mean, is this just a little on your lid and go? So I'm just very disappointed that I got this one. I would have loved the everyday one, the one that had all the mattes in it. That would have been my choice. So this I probably will be given to someone. The hair products, I might not even try it. I'm not even sure. I just swatched the lipstick, so I'll have to keep that. The next product is by Tatcha, which Tatcha is one of my main skincare brands that I use. I've used this mask before. I used it and my face stayed so glowy and soft for several days. They recommend you use one of these a week. So now with 2 boxes I have 4. This is really the only thing in the box that I can truly say I'm excited for. I was excited for the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, but I just didn't want the highlighting palette. Anyone but that one. Now last, I wish I would have received that $1 Million Brow, but instead I actually have 2 of these. It's the Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil from Starlux. Never heard of them. This Star Looks expands into a mechanical eye pencil with, let's see, it's supposed to be very pigmented, easy to extend and retract. At least it's not a pencil. And what color is this pencil? If it's not black, I might keep it. It's brown. Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil by starlooks.com. I think I might keep this pencil. I've never heard of Star Looks. Okay, let's swatch this Star Looks pencil in brown. It goes on well, and I like how the tip's really pointed. I'm going to keep this. I hope it works out well. But I want to let everybody know I'm going to keep some of these products and start making little boxes to give away. And I will be giving some of these boxes away on my Instagram and my Twitter account. So if you're interested in winning stuff like that, can you please subscribe to my channel? I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook in addition to this YouTube channel. And they're all listed below. If you want to get in on a giveaway with those, because I will be having one. This box is not the best box I've had. This box just wasn't as good as a normal box. This really impressed me, the Tatcha skincare products. I'm really upset that I got this eyeshadow. I didn't want all highlight, all metallics and shimmers. I just can't use that. Both my boxes were the same variation 4. They usually aren't the same. That way I get different products, but this time they were the same. Now, this dark lipstick, I can't, it's just too dark brown. So I will have one. I'm going to keep this one because I swatched it. And if my daughter wants one, I will give her this one, but I will have one of these to give away. And the hair product, I'm not even sure about. I might try it, I might not. But I'm just very disappointed in this month's Boxycharm. I don't think it's up to par. I think these Rainforest of the Sea palettes are kind of old. They've been out a while. They've been out a good while. I should have looked to see how many years these were out. And then the OFRA, this is new packaging for OFRA, because I have some of their liquid lipsticks. It's a good formula. It's just, look how dark that is. That's just not a good color for me. And this brand and this size, come on. This is almost like I'd say this is a travel size. Travel size is not full size. When you have something that's travel size, I don't consider it a full size product, because you're getting smaller things so you can bring them onto the plane. And this is 2 ounces. You can, how many ounces can you bring on a plane?
3.
Well, you can bring this on a plane. So I would say this is travel size. I'm just disappointed. That's all I can say. Are you disappointed with Boxycharm this month? Let me know in the comments. I'm truly disappointed. I don't really care for this box that much. It's just okay. Of course, this pays the $21 for the box. That's it. That's all I can say. I guess I'm getting picky and spoiled because only paying $21, but if I don't even think I'm going to use the palette, I'd rather pass that on to someone that really wants to use this palette than me just let it sit in my collection. So, thank you all for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe. I would really, truly appreciate it. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Take care, and till next time. Bye.